Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a full fiction book from a content brief in Aivolut Books. The first step is to have your content brief ready, just like the one we have right here. Then click View Content Brief. This will open a pop-up window where you can view all the content inside your brief. From here, review the details, check if anything needs to be updated or corrected. You can edit the parts that you want to improve. You can also set your writing style. Then, in the advanced options, you can set a custom knowledge if needed. You may also set the rest of the settings here, like the illustrations and these writing options, for more control. Once that's done, you can now click Write Book and wait for your book to be generated. Once your book is ready, you can check it here in the Books section. Simply click the Books button. And to download the book, simply click this button right here. And here's a quick overview of the book. You have the preface right here, the chapters, and an author's bio at the end. And that's it for this video. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. Tell us in the comments what book you are planning to create.